Well, happy Father's Day weekend and happy first day of astronomical summer. Believe it or not, we're just now starting to enter the official season of summer, which marks the longest day of the year. Now, after this point forward, we're actually going to get a lot shorter days, but we'll at least enjoy it while we can. And maybe get some cooler temperatures in here too. Actually, today was a fairly hot day. It sure felt like the first day of summer out there. Temperatures in the lower 90s, actually reaching at 93 degrees here in Tuscaloosa. We've cooled off slightly from that right now in Tuscaloosa at 82 degrees. Kind of a light wind out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour. Really not much moisture at all actually across the state. Maybe a few stray showers or two moving across, but we just didn't see a lot of that here in Tuscaloosa. Now I want you to notice that little low-level trough, at least, or surface-based trough that's moving through Arkansas. That might give us a few storms coming into your Father's Day. I'll have more on that actually here in a few seconds. One thing I want you to really note is all of the increasing rain chances that we're going to be experiencing over the next few days. Look at Tuesday and Wednesday. Pretty high rain chances coming in, so we definitely do need the rain, especially this time of year. We'll take what we can get. Now let's go ahead and zoom in on through tomorrow, which is Father's Day. I want you to notice how this model is picking up quite a few showers and thunderstorms through the area. I don't think that we're going to have that much available moisture in the area, but again, still will be something that we're going to have to note, especially coming into tomorrow. Now, I want to actually point this out too, a pretty cool little scientific explanation here that I want to give you. This is actually a satellite image from GOES East. This is from NOAA, and it is showing the Atlantic basin there all the way extending from Africa, and then over here towards the top left of your screen, there's Alabama. Well, you see that little dust bowl right there that's kind of pushing towards the left through the ocean? That is actually Sahara dust moving through off the coast of Africa. And it's been moving through over the past few days too. I'm sure you've heard of it. That's actually going to be coming into Alabama coming into this week, about Wednesday evening into Thursday, which could give us some fairly vivid sunsets. But another thing that you want to note with this Sahara dust is that if you have any allergies or if you're really sensitive to dust, you're really going to have to experience, unfortunately, some allergy symptoms from that, because that's what it's really known for. But another thing it's known for is very vivid sunrises and sunsets. So be looking out for that as we do get into this coming up week. Now again tonight, we're going to be fairly mild out there. Temperatures in the lower 70s, mostly clear. Here's your Father's Day forecast. I try to break it down a little bit from the morning to the afternoon until the evening time hours. Notice how we're mainly dry all the way through 8 a.m. All the way into the afternoon. It's that late afternoon into the evening time hours that I'm mainly concerned about for there being a stray thunderstorm or two in the area. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be a fairly hot day out there, so if you do have any outdoor plans, just be sure you have that water bottle on hand, because it's going to be fairly scorching out there. Welcome to summer. Now here's that 7-day forecast. I'm glad to see a little bit of rain icons across the map, and we do need some rain. But I'm also glad to see that slightly cool down coming in to next week. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, but in those rain chances actually decreasing as we get into next weekend. That's your full weather forecast. You can tune in tonight on WVUA 23 News at 10. I'd love to have you, and I hope everyone has a great Father's Day and I hope you had a great first day of summer. Everyone stay cool.